Well, it kind of makes you sad, but it has to be done. You can see this big boy leaning. It's a sugar pine. You can tell from those big long cones at the top. And there's the power pole. And you can see the lean. And it's just too clustered together. It's just too clustered together with the others. So, this is the man. And the saw. And the tree. And anything can happen. If it goes well, it goes there. It does not go there, or here, or anywhere else. Just right there. Uh-oh. Timber! Holy moly. Not bad, man. Well done, Thomas!